Did you know your brain is constantly changing? For a long time, even scientists thought the brain was like a computer that gets programmed in childhood and then pretty much stays the same. The idea was that our abilities, our intelligence, and our skills were mostly set in stone once we grew up. This belief shaped everything from how we taught in schools to how doctors treated brain injuries. It was a pretty rigid view of our most complex organ. But over the last few decades, science has completely flipped this idea on its head. Researchers discovered something incredible called neuroplasticity. This is the brain's amazing ability to rewire itself. Think of your brain as a massive network of tiny roads or pathways connecting brain cells called neurons. Every time you learn something new, practice a skill, or even just have a new thought, you're either strengthening these roads, creating new ones, or letting old ones fade away. Your brain isn't fixed at all. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving landscape. So how does this rewiring actually happen? It's all about connections called synapses. There's a famous saying in neuroscience, neurons that fire together wire together. When you practice playing a guitar chord, for example, the same group of neurons activates over and over. This repetition strengthens the connections between them, making it easier and faster for them to communicate next time. It's like turning a faint dirt path into a superhighway. This is how memories are formed and skills become second nature. Your experiences and environment are the main architects of your brain. Studies have shown that living in a stimulating environment full of learning, social interaction, and physical activity literally builds a more complex and resilient brain. This isn't just true for kids. While young brains are incredibly flexible, we now know that neuroplasticity continues throughout our entire lives. Adults can learn new languages, pick up new hobbies, and even recover from brain injuries by creating new neural pathways to bypass damaged areas. The brain's ability to adapt never truly stops, and the science is getting even more exciting. We used to think certain brain cells, called glial cells, were just support staff for the neurons. But new research shows they're actively involved in shaping our neural circuits. Advanced imaging technology like fMRI now lets us watch these changes happen in real time. Scientists can see brain networks shifting and reorganizing as people learn a new task, sometimes in just a matter of hours. This has huge implications for all of us. It means that effort, practice, and the right learning strategies can genuinely make you smarter and more skilled. It's not just about raw talent. It's about building a better brain. This growth mindset, the belief that you can improve, is backed by hard science. Of course, there are limits. Some brain patterns are harder to change than others, and it takes consistent effort. But the core message is incredibly empowering. The brain is not a static organ that simply runs programs. It's a living, breathing network that is continuously shaped by how we live, think, and learn. Every day is an opportunity to build a better brain. The story of our mind is one of constant evolution, and we are the drivers of that change. Thanks for watching. And if you found this fascinating, be sure to follow for more insights into the amazing world of our brain.